I didn't want to have to make another one of these videos. I'd really rather keep shit to homesteading and primitive skills and survival and talking about growing food and relating to wildlife and surviving on planet Earth, but I keep seeing these other survival channels and homesteading channels, and they're putting out all this misinformation out there about Antifa and Black Lives Matter and protesters, and saying all this really violent, scary shit with absolutely no references to back it up, no footnotes, no proof, and saying a lot of really harmful shit that could get a lot of people hurt. Claiming that the protesters are violent and people are getting raped and robbed and extorted and all of this nonsense that I haven't seen any of out in the autonomous zone in Seattle and, Chaz, and it's really fucked up that people are saying these things, because it's gonna get a lot of people hurt. And, these guys are ready to march around with their fucking automatic weapons and shit and take away other people's freedom, I guess. And, the comments in some of these videos are all about how much ammo I've got and I can't wait for this civil war and I'm ready to go, and they're, basically saying they're gonna kill people. And Black Lives Matter protesters and Antifa, they haven't killed anyone, so somebody really needs to fucking check their attitude and wake the fuck up. Because, why are you threatening violence against your fellow civilians? And then you call yourselves a fucking patriot? Like, get fucking bent. Also, you're against anti-fascism. I gotta repeat this. What does that make you if you're against anti-fascism? You support the Nazis? You into that? Because that's really fucked up. I don't understand. So, just thought I'd put that out there that, I'm taking this a little personal when I hear that I am a terrorist, apparently, for wanting to back other people up on their rights that they're protesting for right now. Their lives, And really sick of this fucking right-wing shit where people are mouthing off and saying shit that isn't true, and it's endangering other people's lives. So, yeah. Guess that's it for now. Oh.